Gracie, welcome to Lockdown Lunches. Today we're making quick mini quiche. First we will need our ingredients. We will need 1 tortilla wrap, some cheese, some tomatoes, some olive oil and some eggs. I'm also using a non-stick pie dish. First you'll need to make sure our oven is preheated. Mine is. Now we will need to cut the wrap about a centimetre bigger than the pie dish outside. Now we will need to put our oval shaped wrap inside our pie dish. Now it's all pressed down like this. We will need to scramble our eggs. Okay, now it's all scrambled, we will need to add in the cheese. And mix it in. Now we need to add some tomatoes until then when your thing looks like this, you'll need to put it on the tray and leave the oven. Okay, so the quiche has had about 15 minutes and it's ready to come up. Here is your lockdown lunch. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and see you next time for more lockdown lunches.